Okay. Alrighty then. So the overall market direction is sideways. The big picture, sideways. And we have support 75. So what do we think is going to happen at 75? It's going to be a bounce off of 75. What do you think is going to happen at 604? It's going to be a recoil off of 604. Why? Because that's the beginning of the big picture. Okay.
Okay.
Alrighty then. Okay. Okay. So, all right. So the top down. Right. Price right now 83 and 75. Right. Okay. So what's the Alrighty then. What's the alrighty. What's the high of this? We do have a wave, right? And this wave high it's 95, 95, no 92, and this low right here 92, 92, 81. Okay. Okay, hold on a second. All right, 92, all right, 81. We're talking 11-point range wave. Okay. Okay, so the bears, right? Those traders that shorted 92, they're gonna let it ride all the way to 81, right? So they're gonna lock. They're gonna be looking to lock 11 points right there. Alrighty. So this downtrend began already, right? Began about a little over an hour ago.
Uh-huh.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Yep, that's right. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so overall market direction is sideways, but we have a bearish bias. Okay, so bearish bias. What does that mean? That means that we are more interested in shorting than buying. Price right now 82 half, 83, 83, 82, 75, 83. Okay. ¿Tú sabes cómo desconectar?
Uh-huh.
Viste que se metió ahí.
Alfonso Santos.
Sí. Porque yo le di permiso a todo el mundo y déjame quitarlo. ¿Entiendes? Ok. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. No,
Oh,
it's okay. Don't worry about
no, I didn't. Just in time.
it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
My good Lord.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Right, so overall market direction is sideways. Right here, right now, 81 bears are looking, right? Remember, we have a bearish bias. Okay, so we believe that the price is gonna go all the way to 75. All right. Okay. Okay. Price right now 81. Okay. Remember that this play, right, began right there, 92. Okay. Okay. More than an hour ago. Right. So price goes to 80, half. Right. What do you think happened at 81? Exactly what we said here. They're gonna lock 11 points. They have to, right? They have to lock 11 points. That's why price could not take our support 81, and that's why we're having this bounce right here, right now. Yeah, sure. It's not a beautiful high velocity bounce, uh, right? It's only 910. The cavalry hasn't arrived yet.
That's right.
So that's why that's why the price is behaving like that. Longer term, 81, it'll be taken, and a continuation. So the main play that already began at 92. Sorry that we just saw it at 83, 84. Right? That's when the price was right there at 9 a.m. Right? 80, 84. That's when we saw it. It'll go from 84 to 75. So that's 9 points from our entry short right there, 84. Okay, which happened right at 9 a.m. Okay, alrighty then.
Alrighty then.
Mm-hmm. And 1 second. Yeah, 75. Yeah, 75 it is. Okay, 75. All right, so our job is to let it ride all the way to 75. Okay. Oh my God, Capi, I didn't show because you just opened the mic right at 9 a.m. Yes, down to 75. You gave us everything. You know, so so I'm late, man. All right, no problem. Okay. All right. This is still. All right. Okay. It's only 9:12. Okay. The market usually doesn't go anywhere on a straight line. So okay. So we're gonna have some shenanigans here. You know, from the price, and then of course at the open we are going to we're gonna take advantage of the volatility and and uh, and get in again, right? Alrighty then. All right, recap. Right, overall market or the big picture. 604, 575, 29-point channel. We're playing that channel. Inside that channel, there is a bearish wave. 92.81, 11 points, right? Of which we have a bearish bias. What does that mean? Right, that the price is gonna take 81 and it's gonna continue going all the way to 75. The low of the channel. Let's see. Time right now, 9:14. So that's number one. Okay. That 84 right there. Let me see. Exactly. The low, that 84 where all the teenagers went long because it was a double bottom. That's our entry short. So it wouldn't surprise any of us that the price bounced all the way back to 84 again. Right? Well, that 84, 86 range became resistance, right? Okay, and we believe that the price is gonna continue going all the way to 75. We've believed that for 16 minutes. Well, you for 16 minutes. I've known it for 2 hours.
Right.
So, all right. So that's the play, and then the open comes, right? And it changes everything because that's what smart money does, Christine.
Mm-hmm.
They trick you. That's their job. They've got to trick you so that they can take your money so that you cannot feed your family and they can feed there. That's their job. You can't blame them. All right? That's what they're supposed to do. All right. Right? 81 is support. It's just that momentum took it a couple of points below to 79. But that support is the low of the wave. And we're looking at this, right? Because we believe that the price is eventually going to continue to 75. But we know that when the cavalry comes, we've been saying it for about 10 minutes already, and the open, things can change on a drop of a hat. Can they not?
They sure can.
All right. All right. So those traders that bought 80, right? A point below to give yourself a little room. They're counting on the price to totally go all the way to 87. Right? 84, right? It's going to be a little bit of struggle right there, right? But the bulls, they're going to try to take it above 84, right? 84, 84, 80, 84, 87, okay? That's where the bulls, those who bought the low of our wave, wants to take the price. And we're going to take advantage of this rally to find us some resistance and have another entry short, because we expect the price to, in the longer term, to go to 75. Okay. Hey, but what about this bounce right here off of the low 81.80, right? Our low. Well, that's pretty. That's okay. That's not. It's okay. To be expected is the low. It's support 81. All right. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay. So, what if? Right. We're always asking, what if? What if this bounce? It's not just a bounce, and this is not going to be a rally in a downtrend, right? The downtrend from 92. What if this is a total, it's not a reversal but a retracement? Meaning, no, it's gonna take 84, break it, and continue going up, and it's gonna now break all resistances. Where is it going? Right, well, it's gonna have to deal with 84 first, and then it's gonna have to deal with, okay, hold on a second. Okay. 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 Right above this, now it's gonna have to deal with, gonna have to deal with 84, 89. Right, 89. Okay, 84. Forget about that 89. Make 89, make it 90. And the mid range, right? 84. Right? 84 is gonna have to deal with the with this 84.96 point 6 point area of supply. Alrighty. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Okay. Okay, we're having a new rotation right at the open, my friends, and the market is going out of balance. Oh my God, really? Yep, that's right. Market is going out of balance, my friends.
1 minute to open.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so this is gonna be a tough. This is gonna be a beauty, you know. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Look, 84 fighting it, right? 485. Okay. There is a lot of, this is the open, so we all know the open brings the cavalry, right? And we want to take advantage of it. Okay. Partida. Okay. Mm-hmm. Right. Okay. Right. What was that? 88, right?
Yes, 87.75.
Okay. This is the open, and we're having a. Right. Okay. How is this? Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. The open. Alright. Okay, friends. So think about that, right? Think about that, right? The the low of the 92.81. Right.
89 hit.
So I remember the high. It's right. The high of this wave is
92.
92. Right. So we're right now. Oh my God! This is another break from the open to the upside. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so okay, let's go open this one right here. All right, so let's get open. All right, look at that. Okay, it went parabolic up. Okay. Well, we all know that 80 is the low of the wave. We all know that. All right. Is the overall market direction changing to bullish? Right. Okay. All right. Okay, we're gonna pulse it out. All right. Okay. All right. So this is the opposite of catching a. This is the opposite of catching
A falling knife.
a falling knife. That's right. Okay.
Quarter.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So, oh my God, Capi, look at that. That's right. Okay, price went parabolic to the upside. Look at it. Look at the chart. Look at that. That's the opposite. That's the shuttle. The opposite of a falling knife. So what do we do when the price when the market goes parabolic like it just did? Well, we have to pulse it out. We know 92 is the high of this wave, right? So we know that we want to short 92. We've known it for half an hour, right? Is it is it is, are we expecting a beautiful recoil razor sharp entry short 92 and buy a Lamborghini after the market went parabolic? No, not really. Okay, all right. All right. So the price goes to 93, right? Giving us plenty of time to giving us plenty of time and room to 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 be picked up short 92, and right, because we have to give it a shot even though it went parabolic, so you know, no biggie, right? Bigger the risk, bigger the reward. Look at what happened at 92. Momentum took it to 93, 1 point. I'd say we have to stop right there. We're not gonna let this go up, right? What's gonna happen if the price if the price break 92? Where is going to 604? We're not gonna let it go to 604, right? from 92 to 604, that's 12 points. We're not gonna let it go 12 points for us to establish a position short. No, this is it. All right? It's got to work, period. That's all there is to it. All right? And now, remember I told you, there is a new rotation right at the open. This is gonna be a beauty. This rotation changed the overall market direction, right? From sideways to bullish. That's what I'm looking at right now. So right now we're trading basically support. We buy support, sell resistance, right? Those of you who bought the 81, which probably none of you, because we are expecting the price to go to 75, right? Then you're loving it, right? Okay. All right. So price goes all the way to 89. Give us 2.5 change points. We're not out of the woods by no means. All righty. And now, right? Listen to this. And now 604 is it's right there again. Oh, okay. So before it was 75. Price bounces up from our low wave 80, right? 80, 92, it's 11 points. That's beautiful. But because the overall market direction is sideways, we're gonna short 92. I mean, we're supposed to buy 81, but we had a bearish bias. We wanted to ride it all. We still want to ride it to 75 until I tell you otherwise. But now it's not 75 in the next move, but 604. All right. So we have to think about those traders that went long our support 80. Where do they want to go? They want to go to 92, lock 92, and take it all the way to 604. 12 more points. All right. So they want to lock 11 points on that long 80 that you could have taken too, but they probably didn't take because we wanted 75, and we were expecting the open. Okay, so we're gonna be careful with the open because we know this thing can change in a drop of a hat. Those were right back to bullish. That's exactly what happened. So we continue. We're warming up. Alrighty. All right. So what's next? What's the next resistance above 92? What do you think it is? It's 600, right? 600. That's the psychological level, but Prisatico says 604. Okay. All righty then. Okay. So this is a classical trade what you see thing, right? Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Alrighty then. So we are pulsing it out. Okay. Okay. All right. So now we have to wait to see, right? Now we have to, price goes to 83 quarter. Our resistance is still, price is still clinged to our resistance, right? Okay, we are at the high of the wave, short 92. Short 92, short 92, clean break of 92. It'll go to 604, so we're not gonna let it go, right? Boom. Okay. So it's 92, right? And 92. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. 92, that's 89, so right. 88.75, so that's plus 3, right? And we're not out of the woods. By no means. Okay? We're not out of the woods. That move up all the way to 93 is the smart money taking the stops of of the weak of the weak bears. Those that don't know the longer term, the short term, the medium term, the strength of the move, they can so easily be shaken out. Okay, and that's exactly what happened above 92, 1 point to 93. All right. Okay. All right. So 88, 94, right? 88, 94. We're gonna round numbers. 88, 94 is gonna be a micro channel. 88, 94. 6 points. These 6 points are gonna be a pain in the butt. I told you, right? Okay. Somebody's gonna win the Bulls clean break of the high. 600 and 604. Right? Clean break of the high. As long as there is no clean break that we can see it, then we remain short. Expecting what? Well, let's see. We have a new rotation, so I'm going to have a new reading, right? Pretty soon, and then we'll take it from there. In the meantime, we are in management mode. Okay. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, look at that. Look at that parabolic move from 80, from our 80 support. Okay. All right. Right at the open. Not that we weren't prepared for it, right? Okay. So this is what we have to make sure that we are completely clear. Okay. Market is dynamic, it's changing all the time.
Capi, I have a gold digger bear.
Okay. Yeah, I saw it. Yeah, that's good. So our 92, 93 micro range, that's not gonna be taken easily. All right. All right. So those of you who were patiently waiting for that 92, 92, 92, 92, 92, right? Razor sharp entry, right? And then we had one attempt from the smart money to take us out, right? Price goes back to 93. We know it's resistance, right? Okay, we don't let the smart money shake us out, and we are right now just right there, expecting this 92 sure, to give us a little bit better than 88, 89, maybe, right? Let's see where support is. No, it's right there, 88. So I'm gonna repeat this. Right now we are in a 6 point. Okay, we need to know at all times everything. Right now we are in a 6.88, 94 micro channel. One of these two guys is gonna win, either the bull or the bear. We are sure 92. We want the bears to win this battle. Price needs to take 88 nicely for us to start feeling comfortable that we're gonna be able to ride it. Until 88 is not taken, then we're gonna continue on this 88, 94, 6 point range fight. It's very difficult to know if these 6 points is an area of supply or an area of resistance. Very difficult, tough. Right? So we are in management mode. Okay, management mode. Okay, and we know that a clean break to the upside, we know where the price is going. All right, and we're gonna have new parameters pretty soon. Okay, yes we are. Okay, we're gonna have new parameters to the upside pretty soon. Okay, but we're gonna leave it at we're gonna leave it there at right. Okay, alrighty then, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, right, stuff open as it gets. All right. Okay. All right, 604. Okay. And 94. This thing is gonna break to the upside, man. You know, should we just, get the hell out of this area of supply, man, and go long? Not yet. I'm looking to go long, but we cannot go long here. This is the high of our wave. We're not going long here. If the price destroys the high, right, 93 now, 94, and it goes 10 points all the way to 604, I'm afraid that we're just gonna have to watch it go without us, because I'm not gonna buy this high right here. That's not gonna happen. But I am looking to buy support, another one, right? Remember that our first support was 81, right? It's just that we were expecting the price to take it and continue to 75, right? It only went to 78, 3 points. Well, all right, so we didn't get it. And then, boom, the open, right? We know that the main play is long, right? It's right there. You can easily see that the main play is long the open, right? Okay, but we weren't expecting that. So that's why we are in a counter trend short this high right here, 92, 94, right? Remember the 94 that I gave you was the last one? Remember 88, 94, right? Micro channel, 88, 94, right? 88, 6 point, micro channel. One of the two is going to be broken. All right, look at the 94. Right, look at the short 94. Boom. All the way to 91. 3 points. Oh my God, I have to get out again, man. This thing is going to go back now to 95, man. How many times I'm going to get in, I'm going to get out? Because I'm not going to risk this thing to destroy the high and go 10 more points all the way to 600 and 604, man. I know. What do you think? That's it. I'm in the same boat. Where do you think I am right now? Right there. Hey, why don't we go long? I prefer to see it go all the way to 604 without me than buying the high right here. It's not complicated, actually. All right, that's all there is to it. Okay, we are aggressive, but we're not careless. All right, that's it. If we don't have an edge, I'm out. That's it. I'm not gonna put up with it. The market will reveal itself eventually, and I'm gonna be there. And I'm gonna be there to see it. In the meantime, I'm gonna continue playing the high of my way. That's it. That's all I'm gonna do. All right. My risk reward ratio is much, much better being short right here, 94, the high of the 6 point micro channel that I told you about, than going long. Are you kidding me? This thing can do exactly the same thing that it did on the way up. We all know, we've all seen it. It can do exactly the same thing on the way down. Okay. All right then. However, I am expecting, 75 is in the back burner. We're not taking it out yet. All right. But now the next aim is 600 and 604, right? That's the next sway play, the medium term. Well, however, we have to buy support. We're not gonna take a break out. That's what all the teenagers did. They bought 90. They bought 94, 93, right? And now they don't know what to do right now. Okay. All right. We're gonna be patient, and we're gonna wait for a pullback, for a nice pullback. We're gonna find us some nice support, and bam, and we're gonna go long. Right? We're gonna go long that support. Now, expecting the price to continue to 604. That's what we're gonna do. In the meantime, we're gonna play this short-term short 94. That's what we're gonna do now. Okay. All right. 94, 88, 88, 94, 94, 88. It's a 6-point range that it's gonna be a pain in the butt. All right, for everybody actually. Okay. Okay. Pretty standard, open. Pretty standard. This price action right here. Nothing out of the ordinary. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God, Capi, this is too stressful, man. Don't trade the open. There's a lot of traders that don't trade the open because of this. All right. We love the open. You kidding me? All right. We make in 2 hours what most people make in two. Let's make it weeks. In 2 weeks, right? And the open is a great help, to do that. Okay. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's see if the overall market direction has changed. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, there is a time for everything. All righty? There is a time for everything. All right. What does that mean? Hey, what does that mean, man? What are you trying to say? Well, what I'm saying is that there is a possibility, all right, that we might go, that we might take a breakout long. There is a possibility you hang in there. Okay? I'm gonna say this again. There is a possibility, right? We're not buying 94 only because it's the high. No. It's because It's because the overall layout of this wave is not conducive to taking the risk of taking a breakout. But the market dynamics change all the time. So if I see that the price is in the odds are that the price is actually gonna finally take the high of this range, then we'll take a breakout. We'll go long the high. It's called a breakout, but you not yet. I'll tell you when. Right now, we'll just continue managing the counter trend short 94, the last short that we took, right? The high of the 6 point range 88 94 micro channel that that right that everybody's trying to figure out whether that's an accumulation or a distribution. If the economic release existing home sales right now at 10, right? Let's see if that's going to move the market one way or the other, long or short. We want to see a move now. Boom. Okay. All righty then. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So the price right now, right? 89. That's not bad. That's 5 points, right? From our short 94. That's not bad. 5 points. 89, right? We need one more point. We need 88. We need the price below 88, and then boom. So that's +6, right? That's 88. That's 87, and only the strong survive this industry. 87, right? So now you understand why I just forbid you to go long the high until I say it because of this. Look at that, right? Alrighty. Right. So in other words, everybody's scared of fake breakouts, right? But they don't know. They don't know how to tell when the odds are that a fake breakout is going to develop. They don't. If they knew, then fake breakouts, no big deal. We know, and that's why we didn't go long 94. On the contrary, we went short 94, 87. How many points is that? 94 minus 87. How many points is that? That's 7 points. Right? Right. Okay. Okay. And just like the price when just like the price when parabolic to the upside. I told you a little while ago. It wouldn't surprise me if this thing goes back down, all the way back down, right? Okay. So, where is the price right now? Below 88. Oh, okay. So what happened to 604? Back burner. Who is back in business, baby? 75. Who do you think? However, we'll watch it because remember, the market is dynamic. The overall market direction change. Okay, we need to see what the technical trend is, the future intention is, and then we'll buy support. Not yet. Right now, we are managing the 94 short. Okay. Where is it going? Copy. Okay. Well, let me see because I don't have that yet. In other words, where should we lock that 94 short? In other words, what's the first support? Well, I gotta tell you, it's somewhere around here. Is 80 is 80. Well, what do you think? 84, 86. Remember 84, 86? Remember 84? We went short 84 and the price went all the way to 79. It gave us 5 points. And then the open came. Bam! It destroyed 84. Bulls took over. They took it all the way to 94. 10 points. What do you think those 10 points were for? To destroy the scare money. All those guys that were sure they couldn't handle this thing going all the way to 94. They had no idea that they were being squeezed. Our target one for this 94 short that we are on right now is a range of boom right here. Okay, this is our target one right here, 84 for plus 10. All right, so that's 84 to the tick. So that's plus 10. 84 to the tick. Target one, 84 to the tick. Target one, and the market went parabolic to the other side, right? Okay, and we're gonna do exactly the same thing that we did on the way up. We're going to measure this support and we're going to measure the strength of this parabolic action, and then we're gonna make a decision as to whether we want to take a breakout or we think that this is a pullback in an uptrend, and then we're gonna buy support, right? 84 is target one. Okay. All right. So look at what happened. Look at what happened, right? Price goes to. All right. So hold on a second. Let me see something here. Boom. Okay. So look at what happened, right? So the price goes to 83, right? 1 point below our target one, 84. 84, boom, we make 10 points, and right, and we took a couple of losses, right? 1, 2 point losses, back in, one loss, back in. This 10 points just made up all these scratches that we had to take. We had to take because we were not going to let a clean break to the upside go to 600 and 604, right? So we had to take a couple of losses, no biggie, and boom, 84 target one, and let's see where the price is going to continue going. All right. Now that we are on board, then we're gonna manage this counter trend short 94, which is still a counter trend. This is very important that we all understand this. All right, this is still a counter trend. Okay, just so you know. All right. This is still a counter trend. Well, as long as we are in management mode, we're good. You know, whether it's a counter trend, whether this short 94 is eventually going to become the main play. You know, at this point, what difference does it make? Right? At this point, what difference does it make? Gotta use your common sense. You gotta use your common sense. All right? We are in management mode. Okay. Those of you laughing with me right now, you know exactly, you know exactly who who I am imitating. Oh my god! Okay, concentration, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so uh, so what was I? Oh, here, right? 84. Price goes all the way to look, right? Price goes all the way to 82, right? It's doing exactly the same thing that it did at 92. Remember that the high of our original wave was 92 and the price went to 94 and we knew it. That's why we had that 94.88 range. It's doing exactly the same thing right now. It's to 84. It takes it by 2 points. 82 taking the weak uh, bulls and look at the bounce. And you all know that if I say target one, that's an official counter trend. So this is a counter trend long on a counter trend. This is a counter trend on a counter trend. When the market does that, we know that only, and believe you me, only the ultra professional can handle this type of market. Only we can do this. That's it. Nobody else can do what we did today. Nobody. All right. So we know that 84 and below, it's a counter trend long. We know that, right? So those of you, those bulls who went long 83, right there, 1 point below our support, what happened? They just made 4 points, right? Price just went to 87. And right now, right, that 84, the price took it by a couple of points, and now the low is 82. Oh my God, really? Yeah, that's right. Okay, so 82 is gonna bounce. It's gonna bounce, right? Okay. Now, and that's how we manage the entire action. Okay, we always know when the bulls are in control, the main play, or the bears, right? We know exactly what's a counter trend, and we know what's not, and right, so that we know who's in control. Short term, price took 88, so that range right there, 88.94, ended up being an area of of supply, right? Like the kids on YouTube say. They just learned that terminology, right? That's all they know. So double top and double bottom. They don't know anything else. They don't even know what a head and shoulder is. Anyway, they don't know how to trade it. Well, anyway, so enough of the teenagers on YouTube. So, 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 right? So you have to be strong right now. Capi, what do you mean strong? I took your 94 short, man. All right, so listen. Don't get all out. Well, are you kidding me, man? This thing already went to 82. It just went 12 points in our way in 12 minutes. What do you mean? I love it. I said, hold on a second. Right? That's probably scare money talking, or one of my favorite, insecure money. That's insecure money talking. Right? Hold on a second. What do you mean insecure? Why the hell are you gonna get all out? Do you see anything here telling you to not be short anymore? I mean, we nailed the high of this beautiful 12-point trend. Why are you gonna get out? Get out when I tell you to get out because I'm going to measure everything. I'm going to tell you, oh, hold on a second. Get the hell out. Because this is the button and this is going to grab whatever I say, right? That's when you're going to get out. So you got to do, everything in your power to remain sure. Okay? Okay, we're going to let the market tell us, we're going to let the price action tell us if if this retracement is going to end up being a full-on reversal. Okay. So all right. So we wanted to go to 75 since 9 a.m. this morning. But the smart money knows that there are some of us that know that they have to go to 75. So what do? At the open, they squeeze the weak pair. They take it all the way to 94, and we are salivating as the price is going because I told you we're going to take advantage of this rally and we're going to short it. Okay? All right. Okay, so the price just went to, what is that? 78, right? All right. 78. So what do you think is happening right here at 79? It's a double bottom. Of course, there's gonna be a bounce right there, right? And it's so close to our 75. All right. Okay. But so this is what's so beautiful, right? So 84 was our target one because the market is dynamic, it's changing, targets are changing, support is changing, a lot of stuff. Before, right, our 75, right there, 75, I forgot to it was our target one. Now 75, ladies and gentlemen, is target 2. 75 is now target 2 because remember, we locked 10 points at 84 and look at what happened at 84. Price went all the way to 87, right? Remember? 87, boom, boom, boom. Price comes back to 82, the first leg, takes the double bottom, 79. I wouldn't call this a bounce, this 78, 80, this 2.5 point. I wouldn't call that a bounce. That's the price dancing. And then I told you 10 minutes ago, right? Insecure money is getting all out. I told you, do not get all out. Let's go to 75. There's no reason at all whatsoever for us to get all out. Just go to 75. All right. Now, simple question. Is it possible that the price doesn't go to 75? Can I guarantee price is going to go to 75? Of course not, right? Is it possible that the price finds support above 75 and bounces and go to the moon? Yes. But the odds are that's not going to happen. And if that happened, let's just let the price take your trail. That's it. All right. There is a reason that we were after 75 minutes ago. There is a reason for that. You know what I mean? There's a reason for that. It's a very good reason for that. All right. Sound test, by the way. Just one of you only. Do you imagine that I've been talking non-stop? And, okay, thank you. All right, concentration. Concentration, ladies and gentlemen. Concentration. Thank you, Bill. Thank you, Mike. Thank you very much for the for helping me make sure that that the equipment is working all properly. All right. Okay, let's see. I gotta tell you, buddy, that's laughable, isn't it? That's laughable. It sure is. You know. What are you talking about? What is laughable? The way the smart money took the price all the way to 94 before going to 75, giving us. So in other words, their trickery, because that move up all the way to 94 was a trick, right? It was a trap, right? Exactly. That's right. That's right, Bill. Oh my God, this is oh my God. I don't know. Is this 75 to the tick? It's just a simple question. Is this 75 to the tick? Is it? 75 to the tick, my friend. I kid you not, right? So 94 minus 75. All right. So that's 19 points for this target 2. 19 points. 19 points. All right? 19 points. Oh, I mean, that's unbelievable. I know. The market always reveals itself to Prosadico. Always. Well, actually, I'll take that back. I don't want to say always. Right? Because that's stupid. Right? Always is too much. All right? Okay. Okay. Target 2. 75 to the tick. So I'm gonna tell you this, you know. I mean, because if you throw a bunch of levels, price is gonna hit one of your levels. But the way you know that you have a system, right? The way you know that you have a system that it has no equal is when the price goes to your level, and we only have 3. Target 1, target 2, target 3, and then bonus, right? We only have 3. When the price goes to where we say it's gonna go, and it goes there to the tick, you know that you're onto something. Are you not? All right, that's my point. Let's target to 75 to the tick. Remember when the price was right there at 82, 81, 82, 84? Totally listen. Don't get all out. There's no reason for you to get in all out. I measure this move, and it's going to 75. That's 75 to the tick. I'm not blowing my own horn. I'm just giving you confidence so that you know the system that you follow is unique in the world. If Goldman Sachs knew the system that we trade here, we would all be working for them. They just don't know it. I haven't told them, and I won't tell them. All right. Okay, so that's target 2. And those of you who've been here with me trading, just 10, 15 years with me every single day, you know that the reason 75 is target 2 is why? Because it's support. So why do you think that we counter trend? Because we buy support and we sell resistance. Which one? Ours. All right. Now, hey, Capi, I did what you said, man. I let it right to 75. Can I get out now? Depending on your position size, this is my suggestion. We took a couple of losses right at the beginning, and then we quadruple the losses, and we turn them into a win, right? So look at your P&L, right? Everybody has its own agenda, his or her own agenda. You want to go play golf? Get the hell all out. Go play golf. You know, you like a much better win rate than the one that I call here because target one, we get it pretty good, most of the time. Target two, we still get it, but not as much. And target three, we all know that target three is a challenge, right? Are you kidding me? Of course it's a challenge. So you want a better win rate and you don't go to target three, you always get all out target two. I'm okay, if you get out target two today. All right? There's no reason, all right? I'm waiting for Goldman to call me and tell me where is target three, where are they going? That's what, why am I gonna? Oh my God, look at this. This is beautiful. As a matter of fact, they just call and say 66. Boom! What is this, 75? All right, my friends. So we have now target 3 is 66, buddy. Okay, my dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, 66. Oh my God, really? 9 more points? That's correct. 9 more points. Oh my God, I can't believe it. All right, well, listen, anything can happen any second. We all know that, right? So we're going to manage it. If you are all out, your job is to get back in short. Resistance. So what's going to happen? Right? Let's say that you took your 20 points right here at 75. You're happy. And all of a sudden you say, you know what? I'm going to take advantage of this trade, of this day, of this trend, man. We got in at the beginning of the move, 94. And if this thing's going to go to 66, I want to take advantage of that, right? 94 minus 66. Man, I want to make this 28 points. So I'm going for it. All right, terrific. That's why we trade multiple contracts, so that we don't have to make that decision to get back in. However, if you do get all out and you want to ride the 66, you have to get back in, right? So where are you going to get back in? Well, 75 right here. It's like taking a breakout, a breakdown, right? A breakout to the downside. It's a breakdown, break up, breakdown. Well, do you think that short 75, for those that got all out 84, that's as aggressive as it gets, right? 75. Yeah, Capi, but if it's gonna go to 66, that's 9 points, man. I'm gonna take it. Alrighty. But you just need to know the level of risk and danger that you're taking. All right. 72. Right? So if you take a breakout short 75, right? Look at that beautiful breakdown. Right? Then your psychology, like they call it, and your level of emotion is totally different if you're letting it ride from 94. Why? A couple of reasons. Reason number one, you are beautifully green, right? Number two, you're just managing, as long as you're not scared money or insecure money or greedy money, right? Impatient money, then you're laying it right. Stop, break even, start trading. Where is the trail? Our points, levels of resistance. You know them all. So a clean break of any of our levels of resistance, which you know them all, get the hell out. No, but I'm not gonna make that much. Oh, okay. So every trade that you take, you want to be able to enter at the beginning and exit at the very end. Is that what you're telling me? Do you think that there is a trader in the planet that can do that? Well, almost. We can almost do that, but that's not easy. All right. So that's hold on a second. That's 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 delusional money. Remember, there is a whole bunch of that's delusional money. That's delusional money. You think that if you think that your entry is gonna be razor sharp and your exit is gonna be razor sharp, we've done it many times, and I know that you've seen it done many, 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 many times. But my friend, that's not easy to do. Okay? All right. So target 3 is a stop break even trail. Look, prices went to 72, right? And then bounce. There's gonna be a little points of support between 75 and 66. Of course, there's gonna be a couple of points of support. Worry about it, right? It's the natural ebb and flow of the market, right? As long as it doesn't take our levels, then let it ride. All right, let's see. The smart money is squeezing the bull, and we're gonna take advantage of it. All right, that's what they're doing right now. They're squeezing the bull. We're gonna take advantage of it. All right. Oh, really? Yeah, that's right. That's exactly what they're doing right now. Squeezing the bulls. All right. Where did the squeeze begin? Where did it begin? It's right there at 75. 75. 75. Squeeze began right here at 75. Anything below 75 is a squeeze. So I'll explain it to you. Right? Bulls are going long 75. Our target 2. Right? The reason 75 is target 2 because it's support. It's an important support. All right? So, traders that know that, they're started going long 75. But the smart money, they need to take their money, right? So they were squeezing that. So 74, 73, 72, 71, it's a squeeze. They know that long 75, traders long 75, they're not going to be able to handle a move all the way to 66. They're not going to be able to handle it. So smart money is going to take a whole bunch of weak. They're going to take a whole bunch of weak. They're going to take a whole bunch of weak bulls. These 9 points from 75 to 66. All right. Look at that bounce off of 71. Boom, back to where? 75. Look at that, 71, 75, 4 points in 4 seconds. Okay. Knowing that is knowing a lot. It's knowing a lot about day trading. What I just told you. All right? That's beautiful. All right? It's a 5-point bounce, from the low. Look at that, the mid range, right? Isn't this the mid range between 75 and 66? Right? Remember that 75 is support, okay? And it's a counter trend long, right? So bulls go long right here, 75. First time price goes to 75 to the tick. It finally takes it, right? Look at this. And then support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. It goes there. Then 75, nicely, right? It's when I told you, okay, well, it's okay. I mean, it's not the same being short 94 than 75, right? So here, when the price went to 75 at 10:36, 10 minutes ago, then of course, becomes resistance, resistance becomes support, take it, expecting the price to go all the way to 66, but we know that 66 is a squeeze. Is where Goldman wants to take the price to continue destroying the weak um, bulls. Sometimes they succeed. Sometimes they just can't even go there. It's target three. Remember what I told you? Target one, high odds. Target two, good odds. Target three, a challenge. That's why a lot of my traders, they get out, they get all out. Target two, they're more comfortable, and then wait for resistance. As long as I don't, hold on a second. As long as I don't call, okay. As long as I don't call to change of hands, you continue managing. Okay. All right. Okay. So now we need to analyze 80, of course, and let's see what's gonna happen here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, 80. Let's see what's gonna happen here. 80. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Alrighty then. Okay. Alright. Okay. So beginning here, 80, the hour. Right. Our resistance is target one, 84. It's a range 84, 86. Alright. 84, 86. Um, it's our resistance that we are expecting the price not to take. Okay, and continue and continue and continue to 66. All right. Okay. All right. 84, 84, 86. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, beginning here, 81. Okay. Hmm. Alrighty. Okay, so what's the market mood? Well, market mood is it's okay. Hold on a second. Okay, hold on. That's it. We're done. We don't want, right? So those of you who were not sure, or those of you who got all out, um, were patient, waited for the price to go to to our level of resistance, 84, establish a new position short, or add to a winner, but we're done. That's it. Price takes um, this this micro range right here, 84, 86, and we're done. Make sure that the taking of this micro range here, doesn't hurt you. All right. If you have to, if we do take a loss right here on this, add to a winner short 84, uh, make sure that a clean break of 86 is not gonna put you in the red, right? That's a mortal sin in this room. All right. So you're right there. Tighten your leash and let it ride. Okay. Price goes right back up to this little high right here that the price just placed. We're done. Okay. Remember, 84 was the stop for the retail trade. For us, it's an entry. Okay. And what time it is? 11:10. 20 more minutes. Official chop begin. We are going to guard our profits that were extremely tough to make today. Real good. Okay. Lower your position, and that's pretty much it. And not to mention, ladies and gentlemen, of course, the right. Not to mention the mid range, which I doubt that many traders took it. The mid range long. Remember that our 75 is a counter trend long. Now, of course, sure, we wanted the price to continue going all the way to 66. It only went to the mid range, right? But think about this. Those bulls that know how strong 75 is, they love the fact that the price took 75 all the way to 70. Those 5 points, they were salivating to go long right there. Right? And we know it because that's our support as well. All right, time right now 11:11, and official chop really began. All right, so I'm pretty sure we're gonna be done anytime soon, right? Because now it's just management. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, right? Look at that, 84. What's that? 84. What? 84. What is this? 84 hat? That's 84 hat. So we took 2 ticks of heat, right? We took 2 ticks of heat on this. Add to a winner, short 84, right? Or the establish a new position in case that you were all out, waited for the rally on this downtrend, waited for our resistance, bam, took another shot, short 84, and oh my God, are we going to 66? Well, let's manage the position, right? Let's manage it. Let's manage it. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna manage this short 84 add to a winner. Where to? Well, 66. Is it gonna take all day? Well, maybe. It's not up to me. Now, the market is the one that's gonna tell. Is the one that is going to do whatever he wants to do. Our job is to manage our position according to what the odds are the market is going to do. That's the job of a day trader. And that's what we do here every single day. Isn't that? All right. I'm going to take a break. And if I don't come back, we are in management mode. That's it. That's all there is to it. Clean break of 86. God knows, right? All right. By then, it's going to be too late, and we're done. All right? So I'm going to take a break. If I don't come back, then I'll see you all tomorrow. And your job right now is to, as long as you have confident money, is to let it ride. 79 is gonna be, it's gonna be a little bit, it's gonna be a little, 78, 79 is gonna be some shenanigans right there. 75 is gonna be some shenanigans there. 7 is gonna be some shenanigans there. But bam, let's go to, right? Let's go to 66. All right. All right.